All right, everybody, so today what I'm going to do, it is the second week of June. And I'm getting a little late start, but not really. I bought me some gardening beans, Tinderet, hope I pronounced that right, but bought me these beans, so I'm going to get in my garden bed right here. And I built me a little teepee I'm going to place in there. Let me show you guys the teepee. So, made this little teepee right here. Well, 4 sides I'm going to place in there. But the first thing I'm going to do, and I got me also some topsoil. I have me 2 bags of it I'm going to work with. It's the Scotch Premium Topsoil Lawn and Garden Soil Conditioner. Adds organic matter and sphagnum peat moss existing soil. So I got me this little handy dandy tool right here. So I'm gonna bust up this ground here, work it around, then I'm gonna put all that topsoil up on top of it, mix it up real good, then I'm going to place my teepee on top of it and probably do fishing line. I got me some fishing line here to string around, that way when the bean starts growing it's going to have something to attach to. So let's get started. Alright, so the Scots I'm putting down now, I got the first bag in there. These things cost $3 at Walmart, $3 a bag for 0.75 cubic feet. So just kind of dumping that all in here, gonna work it in the dirt. One of these at Dollar Tree today, $1.25. So I'm just going to use this thing as to spread around my dirt, get nice and even, and also I use it to weed my beds. Like I'm about to plant some more pumpkins out here. It's got weeds growing, a little grass growing up, and I'm just raking this thing up and using it.
A teepee.
So this one side is a little bit wider out than I want, so I'm just gonna cut off a little piece. Alright, so I got it set up the way I want it. So now, well, I may move it over just a little bit, but now it's time to just kind of plant the seeds. What I'm gonna do is string my line around it. Alright, so I got my fishing line all strung up. I might have not done it tight enough, honestly, but we'll see through the season goes. I might have should have spun it a lot tighter than what it is and tied them up, but I got maybe a little lazy, but I got it on 3 sections. I got the middle one wide open, that way I can go inside and get the green beans that's hanging down, or let my kid do it instead of trying to reach inside. At least this is gonna leave me like a little opening to get to. I use zip ties to connect all my limbs together. So now let's just throw some seeds in the ground. I'm just gonna outline the seeds through 3 sides. So here we go. Alright everybody, so there it is. Hopefully I can get some green beans to run up these poles here and grow, and we will document it throughout the season on the progress of my green bean with my homemade trellis. Right on the other side I got a banana pepper there, sweet banana pepper, a tomato plants, and I got another one sprouted right there that I put out. Don't know if that's going to take hold, and I'm going to put another tomato plant right here. All through here I got to clear out still and plant my pumpkins, but that's for maybe tomorrow. I'll do that. But guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Drop me a comment, let me know if you have grown beans in your little garden, like say kind of gardening on a budget and kind of last minute planning on my garden. So we will see how good this fishing line does. If it don't do good, then I will let you guys know. And next year I will do it a whole lot better with maybe some hemp cords, lines and stuff. I had fishing line hanging around the house since we do a lot of fishing. So I was testing this theory out. And if I fail, that's okay, because I'll win next year. And if I win this year, we will win even bigger next year. So guys, I appreciate you guys watching, and hopefully you have subscribed to the channel and follow our journey of gardening and also all the other content we put out on this channel. But I appreciate it. Thank you. Love you guys. And until next time, peace.